How to find square root of 1681 by long division method. First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. So consider this second pair first. You have to take here a number whose square will be equal to 16 or nearest to 16. If you take here 4, then 4 square equal to 16. So which is equal to 16. This same digit will come to the quotient side also. 4 times 4, 16. Subtract 0. Bring down the next pair. Since you have placed the digit 4 in the quotient, same digit will come under the divisor, and you need to add 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, now you have to place a number, okay, and multiply. Look, if you have to place a number and you need to multiply. The product will be equal to 81 or nearest to 81. If you place here 1, then 1 times 81, 81. So this is equal, right? So our guessing number 1 is correct. This one must come here. So 1 times 81, 81. Subtract, you are getting 0. As a remainder is 0, we are done. Since you have placed here 1, write 1 under the divisor, add, and you are getting that. So the double of 41 is 82. So our answer 41 is correct. So the square root of 1681 by long division method is 41.